friends, welcome back to my channel. It has been a long time since I did a recipe spread, but since I've been meal prepping and planning, I thought I would share with you one of my new favorites that we just made, and maybe do this for a couple weeks so that you guys can see. Maybe you need some meal prep ideas. A lot of these I got from Planning Us Healthy, and I'll put that up here on the screen. She has a YouTube channel. She has been teaching me a ton about prepping and planning. And then I will link the actual recipe to this one, like where it came from. It's from the skinniest dish .com. And this is a biscuit and gravy bake. I wanted to do a breakfast recipe spread first because I don't have a ton in my breakfast section of my Happy Planner recipe book. So the serving is 6, and what I've been doing is dividing it up, and that's like 3 breakfasts for me and 3 for my husband during the week because we just have to heat it up. So I make it on the weekend and it's good to go. So the first thing we need is all right, so there's your ingredients. It's 3/4 cup reduced fat cheddar cheese, and it's shredded. 1 7.5 ounce can of buttermilk biscuits, a cup and a half of egg beaters, or a lot of times I still use real eggs because I'm on blue for Weight Watchers, so eggs are 0 points. So it just depends. I think that comes out to about 6 eggs. That's what I used the last time. I'd probably add a little bit more just because I like eggs. 1 package of country gravy mix, and I always want to add an E to gravy. What's wrong with me? And then 8 ounces of lean turkey breakfast sausage. They recommend Jennie-O. I can't always find that in my grocery store, so sometimes I will get the pre-cooked like sausage patties. Like, make sure they're still turkey and lean. I double check that. So that might change your points a little bit if you're weight watching like me. All right, so, ooh, this is where stickers come in. I think I'm gonna use the minimalist bullets here. This is a really easy casserole to make, and you could totally take it for like, a function where, like, if you have a school get together or anything like that. When I write the directions, I kind of shorthand it, just so you know. I'm not very, because I know what I mean. So that's why I'm going to put a link to the whole recipe. So really easy recipe to do on the weekend. So you preheat the oven, you cook your sausage, you drain it. Not that if it's lean, you shouldn't have too much fat there. Cook the gravy according to the package. You're gonna tear the biscuits into small pieces and you kind of put it all over the pan. Then you pour in all of your ingredients, your eggs, your gravy, your sausage. And you bake it for 20 minutes and then you add your cheese. Bada bing, bada boom, you've got 6 breakfasts ready to go. So the prep time, she says, is about 20 minutes. And the cook time is 30. So there you go. Let's see if we got some stickers in the food book. I have the old original Weight Watcher food book. This one is really, really good. Maybe we do some eggies. I don't think there's sausage. There's bacon, but there's no sausage. I don't think they have biscuits. They have toast. It's like a biscuit, but not exactly. All right, so let's do 2 things of eggs, just because it's fun. I don't typically do too much decorating in my recipe book. Bullet points are the big deal, but other than that, I usually keep it fairly simple. Let's see. Do they still have a chicken? Because that's close to a turkey. Oh, or maybe. Dinner time. What's for dinner? Eat out. Need dinner ones. We could use some washi stickers. Oh, let's put this. Let's do meal plan. We'll do breakfast just because then I remember that this is a good one to prep beforehand. It's going to go in my breakfast section anyway. So there you have it, biscuits and gravy bake. And I'll put the links to all of the things in the comments, or not the comments, the description below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of my videos, hit that subscribe button. I'll see you all in the next one.